Глава 15, урок 2. Today we're going to talk about prefixed verb of motion. We're talking about a few more verbs of motion and the expression coming from while using verbs of motion. So, two prefixed verbs of motion. We're going to practice with two prefixes today. Po, which means to set out, and pri, which means to arrive. When you add these prefixes to verbs of motion, such as iti and yechet, which we already know, and bejit and yesti, which is to run and to carry, all of these verbs are imperfectives. However, when you add a prefix to them, po or pri, they become perfectives. So, here are some examples. Iti, imperfective. Paiti, perfective, to set out on foot. Yechet, imperfective. Payeket, perfective, to set out by car. Bejat, imperfective. Perfective, pabejat, to set out running. Niesti, imperfective. Paniesti, perfective, to take. Adding pri. So you start, of course, with the imperfective verb. Iti, perfective. Priiti, to arrive on foot. Yechet, imperfective. Priyechet, perfective, to arrive by car. Bejat, imperfective. Pribejat, to run up to. Niesti, imperfective. Priniesti, perfective, to bring. Let's conjugate these verbs. They're new to us. Niesti is to carry. Ya nesu, ti nesiosh, on nesiot, mi nesion, vi nesiotia, ani nesut. Note the past tense. On nios, ana nesla, ani nesli. Bejat, to run. Я бегу, ты бежишь, он бежит, мы бежим, вы бежите, они бегут. Past tense is what we would expect. To conjugate the perfectives, note that the conjugation is a little bit different. Я пойду, ты пойдешь, он пойдет, мы пойдем, вы пойдете, они пойдут. Прийти. Я приду, ты придешь, он придет, мы придем, вы придете, они придут. Here's a good example using both of these verbs. Вчера Катя пошла к врачу и пришла домой в 2 часа. Yesterday, Katya went to the doctor and came home at 2 o'clock. Remember that v answers the question куда when expressing motion towards an inanimate noun, while k is used with animate nouns, right? Remember that v or na, if it's a na word, uses the accusative case, right? And k, for animate nouns, people, uses the dative case. Я еду в ресторан, I'm going to the restaurant, accusative case. Я иду к другу, I'm going to my friend's place, dative case. Откуда? This is asking not where you're going to, but motion from a place, right? Откуда? Where from? So to ask where are you going? Куда ты идешь? Where are you going? When you want to say where are you coming from? Откуда ты идешь? Where are you coming from? When you're using the phrase откуда, you actually have to use a different set of prepositions. От plus the genitive case means from someone, animate nouns. Я иду от врача, I'm coming from the doctors. You use is or с with the genitive case, meaning from something. Notice that if you have a v noun, you're going to use is. If you have a на noun, you're going to use с. Когда они приедут из Москвы? When will they come back from Moscow? Когда они приедут с почты? When will they come back from the post office? Это все.